How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory Super Takedown Raptor TIR visor bar. So when you get your Raptor out of the box, you'll have your Raptor go into your cable harness here. Now you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So I brought a red-blue unit here for example, and I'm using my optional grand control, which I plugged in via connector, and then I went ahead and hooked up my main power cables here. Now on my grand control, I have my power button, which will activate my switch box. Now since this is a dual memory version, I have my mode 1 and mode 2 switches here. So in mode 1, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and in mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed. So you have two flash pattern memories, one for mode 1 and one for mode 2. And here I have my pattern button, which I can use to easily cycle through the pre-programmed flash patterns on my light bar, and that works whether I'm in mode 2 or in mode 1. And then here I have my TD button, which will activate my two white steady burn takedown lights there, which will override the warning functionality of my light bar, and those will operate independently as well. And then my Super TD button here will activate Super Takedown mode, overriding the warning functionality as well, and your Super Takedown function will operate independently. Now let's go over night mode. When it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional grand control, and there's two ways to activate your night mode. You can either activate it via button on your control box, which will activate the red backlight LEDs, or you'll see a white cable coming from your cable harness, which you can use as well. So let me go ahead and deactivate my button here. Now when my white cable has power, that will activate the red backlight LEDs on my switch box. So you'll see that you can either use your white cable or you can use your button. Now when you have your white cable hooked up, your button will become inactive. So again, you can either hardwire your night mode or you can activate it via button here. And then you'll see when you activate your buttons that those will illuminate blue while you have your red backlight functionality. So we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we even have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So for example here, I brought an amber unit on the bottom, and then in the middle here, I brought our red-blue half-half color setup, and then up top, I brought our green-clear alternating color setup. And you'll notice that I do have different flash patterns programmed on each of my light bars here, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and you'll have your dual memory using mode 1 and mode 2. When it comes to mounting your Raptor, you'll have your rear slide track here, and then you'll have the holes on the bottom of your Raptor. And then you'll get your included universal brackets with your short forks, your long forks, and your adjustable base bracket, so you can come up with the best combination for your vehicle. And then we also have optional vehicle specific brackets as well. And then finally, we have our optional visor extender here, which can help extend your Raptor to your windshield. So that covers our dual memory Super Takedown Raptor TIR visor bar. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive player to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.